Central Forensic Science Laboratory has started the psychological test of the accused Sanjay Roy. That's the latest breaking news we're getting in the Kolkata rape horror case. Ritik Mondal is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Ritik, Sanjay Roy was questioned by the CBI for 13 hours yesterday, and now there's a psychological test happening of the accused. Can you give us more details of what the psychological test will entail?
Definitely, what we know that CBI has sent a team of psychoanalysts for psychoanalysis of this accused, because remember, heinous crime has been done allegedly, and which is why now CBI has already sent a specialized team with regards to this matter, and that will be done. The sources of the Central Probing Agency told us, and also on the other side that Sandeep Ghosh, the principal of this hospital, who had been summoned for last couple of days, and today was the third day when once again he has been summoned and being grilled by the central agency, by the Central Probing team. So that's the latest development, what we know. But CBI is really intensifying this investigation, and they are taking all sort of measures. What are the measures being taken? They are taking all sort of these measures to reach to the conclusion, because we do understand the pressure also mounting on them, because the matter is with CBI now. They are the prime investigating agency soon after the following the Calcutta High Court's order. So a lot of expectation are from the Central Probing Agency. All eyes are also fixed to the Central Probing team. Possibly one reason we did see yesterday that several team of the Central Probing Agency raided and searched several places, interrogated several people. In fact, family members of this prime accused. This Sanjay Roy was also questioned at his residence in Bhabanipur yesterday. So these are the facts which are being checked and investigated thoroughly by the Central Probing team, and they are also taking help of their specialized scientific wings. So that's precisely that we are being told by the agency sources. Back to you.
Absolutely. Ritik, stay with us. We'll come back to you for more on this. The demand for justice for Abhaya is growing stronger each day. Doctors across the nation are on the streets protesting against the brutal rape and murder of 31-year-old trainee doctor in the Kolkata hospital. In response, the central government has issued strict directives to state police, requiring them to submit situation reports every 2 hours, closely monitor law and order, and ensure that all developments are promptly reported to the MHA control room. The focus is on maintaining public order during the ongoing protests. Probe has also gained momentum. On Saturday, a CFSL team from Delhi arrived in Kolkata to conduct psychological tests on the main accused, Sanjay Roy, to better understand his criminal behavior. Meanwhile, Nirbhaya's mother also joined the call for justice for Abhaya, lamenting that we are still living in 2012.
जो बच्ची के साथ घटना हुई है, उसके साथ जो दरिंदगी हुई है, जो भी मुजरिम उसमें शामिल है, एक है या एक से ज्यादा है, उनको जल्द से जल्द पकड़ा जाए। कहते हैं कि डॉक्टर भगवान होते हैं। अगर हॉस्पिटल के अंदर खुद जहां वो ड्यूटी पे है और वहां वो सुरक्षित नहीं है, तो आप आम महिला और बच्ची के लिए क्या सोच सकते हैं? जब भी कोई घटना होता है, निर्भया का नाम आता है, लेकिन निर्भया की घटना से, उसके मौत से हमने क्या सीखा है? हमारे सिस्टम में क्या बदलाव आया? हमारे कानून में जो भी बदलाव उस पे काम का क्या हुआ? आज भी हम 2012 में ही खड़े।
Gym trainer Soumik Das was part of the mob that vandalized RG Kaur Hospital. Here is what he said on camera.
আমি জাস্ট নর্মালি এমনি মিছিলে গেছিলাম, কিন্তু ওখানে গিয়ে জাস্ট যখন সবাই করছে ইমোশনালি আমি ওখানে ভাঙচুরটা করেছি, কিন্তু এটা আমার সত্যি অপরাধ হয়েছে, ভুল হয়েছে, কিন্তু কোনো প্ররোচনা ছিল না স্যার, কোনো কিচ্ছু ছিল না। আমি নিজে থেকে গেছি।
নিজে থেকে কি? তুমি তো ডক্টর নও।
আমি সবাই যাচ্ছিল বলে আমি গেছিলাম।
কারা যাচ্ছিল সাথে?
সবাই যাচ্ছিল, আমার চেনার অনেক লোকজন কালেকশন মিছিলে গেছিল।
মানে তুমি যাদের
জিম করি সেখান থেকে অনেকজন গেছিল, দেখা হয়েছিল রাস্তায়।
তোমার পরিচিত তারা অনেকে
জিম করে।
তারা থাকে কোথায়?
কেউ বাজায়, কেউ কুন্ডু বাগান, এরকম একটা ছিল। আমাকে হাতে দিতে একটা
সেই ছেলেটিও আশেপাশে কোথাও থাকে?
আমার সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে ছিল।
পুলিশের বাধার সম্মুখীন হওনি?
হ্যাঁ, লাস্টের দিকে হওয়াটা চলে এসছে সবাই।
কতজন গেছিল এখানে?
আমি গেছিলাম, একা গেছিলাম।
এখান থেকে একা গেছিলে তুমি? তা তুমি হঠাৎ করে একা গেলে কেন? এখানে কে বললো তোমাকে যেতে? ওখানে
জিম থেকে একটা মিছিল হওয়ার কথা চলছিল তারপর ফিটনেস থেকে, ওখান থেকে আমি পরীক্ষালি থেকে যাচ্ছি। আমি পরীক্ষালি যাওয়ার খবর মিছিল বলে আমি এখান থেকে গেছিলাম দমদম থেকে চাকাল থেকে। তখন
মানে সবারই টার্গেট ছিল এদের আরজিকর ভাঙার?
না, সবাই টার্গেট ছিল না স্যার। ওখানে এরকম হচ্ছে তখন।
তোমার সঙ্গে যারা ভাঙছিল তাদেরকে তুমি চেনো কাউকে?
তারা সবাইকে মানে মুখ মোটামুটি চিনি, কিন্তু কোথায় থেকে জানি।
We have some breaking news coming in. TMC MP reveals victim's identity, apologizes. Kolkata cops summon to BJP's Locket Chatterjee. TMC MP Rachna Banerjee spared. Locket summoned for revealing victim's identity. No action against TMC MP. That's the latest breaking news we're getting from Kolkata. TMC MP Rachna Banerjee reveals victim's identity, apologizes. Kolkata cops summoned to BJP's Locket Chatterjee, but TMC MP Rachna Banerjee's spared. Locket summoned for revealing victim's identity. No action against TMC MP. A written complaint has been filed with the Kolkata Police Commissioner against the TMC MP and Bengali actress Rachna Banerjee for allegedly disclosing the identity of RG Kar Hospital rape victim. Let's listen to what Rachna Banerjee has to say.
See, it was definitely a very big mistake on my part. I shouldn't have done that. I should have said it as Tilottama, as everybody is saying. But I was so sad and I was very, very emotional at that moment of my time when I was doing that video. All the words which I was saying, it was from my heart. It was not scripted. It was not written anywhere. And I was very, very emotional to say such words. So naturally, with the emotion, that name came into my mind, because everybody's mind is now stuck with that same name. But I had to delete the post because I had mentioned the name which was wrong on my part. It was a mistake, so mistake is always a mistake. You should accept the mistake.
We have Ritik Mondal joining us live on the broadcast to give us more on this. Ritik, just a while back, BJP's Locket Chatterjee was summoned for revealing the victim's identity, and now there is no action against the TMC MP who's done the same thing. Why is that? Give us more details.
Definitely, a huge political row has escalated over this issue. This morning, we reported that one BJP, leader, the Locket Chatterjee, has been summoned by the Kolkata cops to appear before the probing team for allegedly, disclosing the identities of the victim doctor, and of course, two other doctors were also senior doctors of Kolkata were also summoned, and cases have been labelled against them for sharing misleading information in media. But we know that there are several other incidents, and we have Rachna Banerjee, TMC MP, and we did see that several leaders of TMC party also spoke about this. And remember that she is the actor turned politician, and she represents the Tolly industry. She is a known actress, and she also made that mistake, but she did apologize for her mistakes. But we do see that as of now, no stringent action or any legal action being taken by the police against this TMC MP. But yes, of course, we all know when such incident happens, it's also a crime if anybody intentionally or unintentionally, disclose the identity of the victim or her family. It's considered as a huge crime. Perhaps that's the reason that police have filed cases, and already the notices have been sent to Locket Chatterjee and two other doctors. The police has already initiated case, but BJP alleges and other opposition party alleges that they don't see any action being taken against Rachna Banerjee. It would be interesting to see what further reaction we get from the police and what further action they are taking against Rachna Banerjee or any leader or any person who is associated with the ruling dispensation. It would be interesting to see. Back to you.
Right, absolutely. Thanks for bringing us all those details, Ritik. Politics around the Kolkata rape case is heating up. While Mamata Banerjee faces criticism over the probe, even her own party member, TMC MP Sukhendu Shekhar Ray, is raising serious questions. TMC MP has been called by the CBI to conduct a fair probe into the Kolkata Police Commissioner and the former Principal Sudeep Ghosh, questioning who spread the suicide theory. He's also pointed out delays in using sniffer dogs, the demolition of a key wall, and asked how Roy gained such influence. The BJP is also turning up the heat on Chief Minister Mamata, accusing her of staging drama and alleging her involvement in a cover-up. In contrast, SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav defended Mamata, emphasizing that as a woman, she understands the case's emotions better than anyone, and slammed the BJP for exploiting a sensitive issue.
Banerjee, Honorable Chief Minister, she also demands justice. लेकिन आज Honorable MP सुखेंदु शेखर राय जी जो ट्वीट किया, पुलिस कमिश्नर को कस्टोडियल इंटरोगेशन चाहिए, ये जो डिमांड है इसको हम अपोज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि आफ्टर गेटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन ऑनरेबल सीपी विनीत गोयल, he has done his best within 12 hours. An accused has been arrested.
ममता बनर्जी जी खुद महिला हैं और एक महिला का दुख दर्द वो समझती हैं। उन्होंने कार्रवाई की है और जो उनकी डिमांड्स थी सीबीआई या अन्य संस्था से जांच कराने का, वो भी फैसला सरकार ने लिया है। लेकिन इसके साथ साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों को राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए। और अगर बंगाल के बारे में इतनी चिंता है, स्वाभाविक है जो घटना हुई है उस हिसाब से जो लोग डॉक्टर्स हैं सब लोग स्ट्राइक पे गए हैं, लेकिन बीजेपी को घटनाओं से राजनीतिक लाभ नहीं लेना चाहिए।
न्याय मिलना चाहिए। डॉक्टर लोग जो स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं, पीछे रखिएगा। अब क्या घटना हो रही है, किया है जघन्य महिला के साथ हुआ।
बहुत ही बर्बरता है ये, बहुत ही इसका घोर खंडन करते हैं। इसका पूरा का पूरा जांच हो और यहाँ पर न्याय मिलनी चाहिए उन लोगों को जिनके ऊपर ये अत्याचार हुए हैं, और ख़ास तौर पर कौन है ये अपराधी, उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए। अब सीबीआई जल्दी करे काम। जब राजनीतिक जो ओपोनेंट्स है उनके ऊपर डंडा चलाना है तो सीबीआई एकदम फौरन काम करती है। अब ऐसी चीज़ों पे न्याय दिलाए।
कंप्लीटली टीएमसी के मॉब है। पुलिस और टीएमसी के गुंडा लोग मिलकर ये काम किए हैं। आज विनीत गोयल और विनीत गोयल का टीम पहला आधा घंटा क्यों कुछ नहीं किए, क्यों टीयर गैस नहीं फेंके। आज आपका रिपोर्टर का पीछे में वो लोग छुप रहे थे, क्यों? नाटक मत करिए कि भाजपा किए हैं। जो लोग आंदोलन कर रहे जस्टिस के लिए, जो लोग आंदोलन कर रहे ये बेटी के लिए, वो जाके डॉक्टर लोग को ही मारेगा।